Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Andrew Peters here with Johnson RV out in beautiful Sandy, where we're going to have another great day, almost going to be 90 degrees. Wanted to shoot this little video for you guys just to give you a great education and show you exactly what we have. But right behind me, we're going to have a 2025 Forest River EVO. It's going to be the 2290 ER floor plan, and I'm really excited to go over it with you guys. So this is a very beautiful floor plan, being around 28 feet in some change. We're gonna have a nice electric tongue jack, 2 propane tanks. We have our batteries that are gonna go there with a nice, easy, quick connect, which is also gonna be the battery disconnect right there. We're gonna have a full storage pass through right there, as you can see. Now on the exterior, you're gonna notice that we're gonna have our huge electric awning on the back that's gonna cover all that space back here. It's also gonna be a great spot for shade as well as when it rains. We're gonna have an exterior shower, which is gonna be hot and cold water for you. Now, all of these Forest River EVOs are going to come with 2 jacks in the front, 2 jacks in the back, as well as an instant hot water heater. As we make our way inside, we're going to be on a dual axle. We got the nice solid steps right here. And this floor plan is very unique. So as you can tell, it's going to be the rear kitchen, but tons and tons of counter space, easy to use. We have all the storage up top here. We're going to have our 3 stove burner. We're going to have an oven down below. We have our Freon microwave. And we have a nice deep sink with, you got to point out the windows. The windows are going to be a great feature for all that natural lighting coming in. We're going to have a 10 cubic foot refrigerator, which is going to be all battery powered. We're going to have a nice pantry as well to store everything. And this is where our theater seat's going to come into play. Right across, we're going to have our fireplace as well as our TV mount. Now, something that's really cool about this floor plan is that it has a hidden compartment. This is just going to be used for extra storage or anything that you guys would like to use. Over here to the right, you're going to notice we have our solar controller. So we will have solar on board. We're also going to have all the light fixtures, the water pumps, the slide, the awning, the JBL, you name it. It's all going to be here. You can also dim the lights inside. So as we make our way, I'm a bigger guy. I'm 6'2". So having a bigger bathroom is super important to me. And the shower is way bigger than the majority of these travel trailers. So I really think if you guys are looking in the market and you like this floor plan, come check it out. It's very new in the industry. And as we make our way into the front of the RV here, we're going to have our queen walk around bed, tons of windows for all that natural lighting and storage. The AC and fan are all ducted through the ceiling, which is super nice and convenient. Keep everything nice and cool. If you guys like this floor plan, come check it out and come see me here at Johnson RV and ask for Andrew Peters. Thank you.